Well, hello everybody. Brandon here again.
Today we are doing the pistons.
Engine pulled, got it clean, got the block already
With the crankshaft, all new bearings.
camshaft bearing,
I got a nice new tool.
the brass freeze plugs, and painted the block blue.
It's pretty cool.
One of my more favorite tools that I have.
We're reworking the Ringlands here.
This is the tool right here.
It's a ring tool.
A lot of carbon and other junk just gets inside these Ringlands here.
If you don't clean those Ringlands,
So your ring might not fit the way it should.
For that purpose, they've made this cool little tool.
it comes with,
Two of these star-looking things, and these are for all the different sizes of Ringlands.
it fits on this ridge right here,
And this is right there.
inside the Ringlands.
And then it uses this spring mechanism here to put pressure on there as you spin it, and it cleans out that ringland.
I just want to get the gunk out and make sure it's sized correctly.
You push in the spring, and then you set the tool on the ring, and then you spin it.
You just do it a couple times and
All that stuff right there is what we pulled out of the ring.
I just let it go around a few times.
Around fairly smooth. Got a bunch of gunk out of that one too.
Like I said, this is one of my more favorite tools.
It's a very clever design.
You never really would think to yourself, well, how am I going to clean these?
You know, you never think about that, but,
Some guy has.
and to him we are thankful today.
Very happy that he did think about that.
How to create a good tool that makes it real easy.
After you're done, your Ringlands look nice and clean.
After I spray him out,
And spiff it up.
So it's gonna be good and ready to go back in the engine block.
We just have to wait for the new rings to show up in the mail.
that's all.
It's been a minute since I posted last.
Nice to see y'all again.
Saturday.
I hope to get the rat running again soon.
I miss driving my Jeep. Talk to y'all later.